Bernard Dashington Snide here, representative of Poisoned Apple Hair. Now today's shout out goes to a beautiful young lady, Miss Mon Mon. One would be mistaken for thinking that she'd be an object that you'd crack open at Christmas time and receive a Mon Mon bonbon. What a lucky gentleman you would be. Miss Mon Mon has got many fabulous attributes. She's the loving owner of her cat Brian. And there are also some other things as well that Miss Mon Mon is well known for too. She has won many awards in pinup, and she also dressed as a character called Mary Poppins, which will be depicted in the movie Mary Poppins, played by Julie Andrews in the near future, 1965. However, there was a lot of public confusion, and to clear this up, Miss Mon Mon disguised herself as a unicorn, as seen here. And then later in 1969, in the future, she then baffled people with this extremely realistic and convincing costume of a bunny rabbit. We would like to thank Miss Mon Mon for using Poisoned Apple Hair setting spray, and we look forward to seeing some of her fantastic disguises in the future. And if you too would like a shout out, please be sure to tag Poisoned Apple Hair. My name is Bernard Dashington Snide. And remember, an apple a day is the perfect hairspray.